Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. So we're going to install some strings here on this fantastic Godin Session Custom Electric, and we're going to use the over-under method. Okay, so whatever distance you want to call that, post distance, whatever. Okay, I back it up. I'm going to take the tag, or sorry, the main end there. Okay, you see that? I wrapped it over the top of the post. Okay, and gave it a little wiggle at the other end there, just to make sure the string doesn't get all bound up. And now I'm going to take my trusty winder and snug it up. Now what you'll see as this comes around, and you see it's only a couple wraps on the low E here, you don't need a whole lot, but you'll see how that string is actually pinched. Maybe this light will help you to see a little bit better. Okay, see how it's held in place right there. Okay, and then we'll do another one. Okay, and pretty much straight through. Okay, so I don't know, what is that? 1.25 inches to 2.5 centimeters or so. Take that, the body of the string there. And all it does is save time. Just by going around the top, it just saves time, rather than doing the the whole wrap-a-doodle thing. Okay, and just make sure that the ball end is settled properly. And once again, you can see that as I'm going through it, it's trapped between the windings. This is super easy. It's not the knot, which some people don't like, because they think it's problematic when it comes time to taking the strings off. I tend to disagree. I'm going to give that a little pinch there. Okay, so, and if you're changing strings constantly as a service, that might be a little bit different than changing strings constantly as a player, because as a player you're going to have your own preferences. Sorry if my arm is in the way here, but anyway, again, give that a little kink, wrap it around the top, super quick. And other thing is, I'm going to keep my finger on the bottom here to keep the successive wraps going one underneath the next. Okay, this isn't the only way to put strings on. There are different ways. There's the Z or Z type, which is straight through. Give it a couple kinks and away you go. Not this one though. And I know some of you like to deal with the first couple strings, the finer strings, maybe put a little extra juice on them. That is, put a knot or something in it. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm sure it works. I know it works because I've done it. Anyway, I'm just doing all the strings the same. I know the nature of the tuner helps. He's a decent tuner. Get under there, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, not going to tune it up right now because there's it's a spring-loaded trem on this, and I've got 2 of the springs out, so it'll just be all wonky. But that's pretty much it. I'm just going to quickly give this a haircut, and there you go. That was easy. Okay, so that's your over-under string installation on a 6-in-line tuner system. Okay, anyway, thanks for coming out. Hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe. Bye.